understanding in me. He passed it on to me. I am the elder one in the house, and he passed it on to me. And then I had this feeling that I have to look after what he has made. He has made a beautiful family. He has made a beautiful house, and all I have to do is just secure that and nurture that even more, because I am the one who has to be responsible enough to do things in my life. Nobody else, whoever is telling me anything, they aren't paying my bills. They aren't doing anything for me, and they are just trying to demotivate me when I am trying to lift myself and my family up. And always, Suyash knew this about me, that one girl I can count on for adventure, who will not have any troubles while traveling, would be Divya Agarwal. So he called me and I said, yes, yes, yes.
Hi guys, this is Kajal Gupta. Today I have with me an actor who's everybody's favorite, Divya Agarwal. Hi Divya, welcome to India Forums.
Kajal, thank you so much. I'm so glad to be here.
Yeah, firstly, congratulations on Fitrat. It's like a birthday gift. It's a special gift from Suyash and Darshan. So, what do you have to say about that gesture?
I think Suyash and Darshan were very kind enough to do that for me, because obviously a lot of things goes behind, releasing a song. It goes on various number of platforms, and to make it possible, I think Naushad Khan, who is the owner of Indie Music Label, he also made a really great gesture by doing this and taking all the efforts. And the other gift which I'll be getting would be from the fans when they see the video, and when they'll appreciate and when they'll shower so much love. And I just can't wait for that, for those gifts. And I'm already happy that whatever has happened, and my song is releasing on my birthday, nothing makes me feel better but my work. So I'm glad it starts.
Yeah. You know, Divya, before I ask you about the song, tell me कि आपके लिए कितना easy या difficult होता है किसी की फितरत को पहचानना, because in this industry. So इस industry में like you're working with so many kinds of people. So how do you like judge people?
I mean, judge would be a wrong word, but I notice a lot of things, because we are humans. There are a lot of differences. आप अलग हैं, आपकी choices अलग हैं, मेरी choices अलग हैं. So I think for me it's very easy किसी की भी फितरत को जानना.
Divya, you've already done a song with Suyash before. So tell us, how different is this going to be?
This one is very different. This one is very graceful, very beautiful. It has been shot very aesthetically. This was an outdoor shoot, and what we did earlier, Bob Marley, was an indoor shoot. It had other actors also, other singers also. So the vibe was very different, and but with Bob Marley, like, we knew each other even before Bob Marley, and after Bob Marley, the relationship what we have has grown to a very next level, and it is we have a very Bombay Bhiru type ka relationship, where we call each other and we, talk about things and we laugh. So this was a travel video, and I'm always up for adventure, and always Suyash knew this about me, that one girl I can count on for adventure, who will not have any troubles while traveling, would be Divya Agarwal. So he called me and I said, yes, 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 because I've heard the song earlier. And I was quite excited, and I was actually expecting him to offer me that song, because I really love that song.
Yeah, and finally now you're doing it, so accomplished.
Yes, and it's releasing tomorrow, and I can't wait.
Yeah, so you said you're always up for traveling, but this year traveling had a different definition. We were traveling in terms of in middle of a pandemic. So how challenging was that, shooting in middle of a pandemic?
Honestly, it was difficult, but because we were traveling by road, and half of the excitement was yahi ke travel karne mil raha hai. So it wasn't difficult. Yes, it was. It had changed. It wasn't like earlier, how peaceful it used to be. It was peaceful in other ways. We were staying, we were working, so that excitement was always there. So lucky that the end product has come out so well, and they will really know how much we've put into this song.
Yeah, So, Divya, 2020 has been hard for all of us, but it's been difficult for you because of a lot of personal reasons. So, tell me something. How how did you pull yourself from that low phase, and now you're here doing what you love, and
So after my dad left us, physically, mentally, and spiritually, he's always with us and around us. But when he left a certain sense of responsibility, a certain sense of understanding in me. He passed it on to me. I am the elder one in the house, and he passed it on to me. And then I had this feeling that I have to look after what he has made. He has made a beautiful family. He has made a beautiful house, and all I have to do is just secure that and nurture that even more. And that's all I've been doing. And just after he left, obviously that void will never go. Obviously, I again, like, there are times when I get low still, and I'm very sure it will go on for years and years. But just this feeling of what he wanted when he was alive keeps me going on. He always wanted me to work like a mad person. He always wanted me to work properly. He always wanted me to be happy. He always wanted my family to be happy, my mom to be happy. And I think that has helped me to pull up myself.
yeah, you know. Divya, it's just so beautiful, and I personally want to tell you that it's commendable how you wear your confidence as like it's your biggest accessory, and dealing with that loss and coming on camera is not easy. We all know that, but there's been a section of people who do not understand this because they are anonymous, they don't know what they're talking about, and they've been telling you that they've been throwing hate on you for resuming work. So how do you deal with that?
Honestly, I don't worry that much because I am the one who has to be responsible enough to do things in my life. Nobody else, whoever is telling me anything, they aren't paying my bills. They aren't doing anything for me, and they are just trying to demotivate me when I am trying to lift myself and my family up. So for them, I feel it's just that they are yet to understand life. They are yet to understand major things, and I think it's not my loss; it's their loss that they don't have that sensitivity towards humanity. They don't have that knowledge and understanding towards life, and I just want to give them time. And I'm not wishing for anything, but everybody has to go through this. One day, after 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, 60 years, everybody has to go through it. And they will definitely one day look back and think that, Divya Agarwal was also going through and we made fun of her. So they will understand one day, and I'm very sure it will happen. And for that reason, if they message me, I will be there to reply them.
So, also, Divya, like you said, you're the elder one in the family. The responsibility is on your head. So, you've been putting a strong face in your family. But on the other end, I'm sure even your companion Varun had a personal loss, but I'm sure you both were there for each other during those tough times. So, has that made your relationship much more stronger now?
Very true, very true. And honestly, it is not just these incidences and these bad experiences of life. It was always every day, each step. Even in lockdown, when we were staying together, we were locked in the house. Obviously, all of us were locked. We obviously grew our relationship, and when we started off, we obviously knew that this is going to be very special. This is going to be something permanent in our life, and we always try and maintain and cherish that, and set an example for people around us that true love is necessary in your life. Companionship is very important in your life, and all you have to do is it's not difficult. Honestly, it is just being honest, being loyal, and being there for your partner. And we couldn't be there physically for each other, but emotionally, We were always there on the calls, and yes, the loss. It was very unfortunate that the loss happened at the same time, and I always used to have that fear that one day Dollar will, like, we all will have to face this fact, and I don't know how will I handle Varun at that time. And I always had that, and I was so upset that at that time मेरा भी ऐसे सब हो गया, and I couldn't handle it, and I couldn't, control anything. Sometimes when you're trying hard, everything just around in that shape. But genuinely, Varun really pulled me up.
Yeah, I think that's wonderful and beautiful. So just before we end, Divya, do you have something to tell all your fans who are waiting to see you after such a long time in Fitrat releasing tomorrow? Any message for your fans?
Okay, so I am just glad that it's happening on my birthday, and I just want people to love my work as much as they love me, and this just keeps me motivating, and I promise to deliver better and better in my life.
Yeah. And on that note, thank you for joining us with a lot of connectivity issues, but still we made this through.
Yes, good.
Yeah,
so
and
much.
All the very best.
Thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much. Means a lot.